What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 pretty cool gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. We'll start off with Victorinox gadgets. First of all, there's a little tools and there's 4 different kinds, so you can install the one you want. So there's a screwdriver, Phillips head, whatever. So you got it here, corkscrew, and you just adjust it and lock it in and then close it. Now you have a screwdriver, extra little tool. Then you can take it off and then open it, spin it this way. Now you have a little leverage this way. Pretty awesome. And you have different kinds, flat head, Phillips head, and one of those pokey things, and start bit. Beautiful little attachments. Also, Victorinox does not have a clip. It has one of those things. Well, guess what? Found this brand on Amazon. This little thing. It's a clip for Victorinox. So all you have to do is screw it into here and then slide it right in. You just slide this very nice and tightly into here. Boom. And screw it on. Ready to go? Now you have a clip. How cool is that? And for the keychain, it's too big. There's little ones Victorinox that has 2, 3, 4 tools. Those don't make sense for keychains, but this one needs a clip. Now you do have a clip. This gadget went viral for me on Facebook, on shorts. I post a lot of shorts or reels, whatever they called. This is like a fire starter. Come on, can we open this? There's a fire starter and a striker inside here. How does this work? Same thing, just like a screwdriver. The fire starter is right here. We can fluff it up, but first we're gonna put the twisted fire starter into here. Beautiful. And the striker will go right into here. Let's go outside and test it out. But before we go outside, might as well show you how I'm gonna do it here. What we need to do with this fire starter, fluff this up really good. It will not work with the back of the blade, not sharp enough. It is too thick of the striker, but let's try it. So stationary the blade and use the sparker to move it out of the way. There you go. And we got the fire going. Bit windy, good fire starter, very waxy, so burning good. Got it here, another very unique plunger. So let's pump it up. So it has a PSI, I guess. No, it bars and PSI, okay. So let's do for about like what, 40, between 40 and 60. I think it'll be powerful enough to unclog the toilet. Ooh, it's gonna get in hard. Okay, I'm good with that. There's a trigger. Let's try it. Wow. Ooh, there's the residual water from the last toilet cleaning. I did this for the short, so you want to probably, after using it, do it second time in the air to get all the moisture out from there. Let's see if this toilet paper will do it. Oh, it got clogged. So we got clogged toilet, no big deal. Let's try this out. Push it down all the way and wow. Didn't do it all the way. Gotta do it one more time. 60 psi, I think will be good. Okay, let's start. And then this time I'm gonna hold it deep. Ooh. Now I'm stuck. Oh yeah. Now I did it. I pushed it deeper in there. It works so well. I got it here, something very unique in a fan mail a few weeks ago. Finally got around to it. This is what is this? Super powerful turbo full. What is it, sir? Turbo fan. There you go. Turbo fan, turbo blower, whatever you wanna call it. Press this and this, and it turns it on, fully charged. And press and hold. No, press and do the change the power. But look at that fan right here. It looks like a jet engine. That is on a small. Wow, that is powerful. Could pump up like air mattress or pool toys with it. There's a different type of blowers right here. Let's start with this one. So you just simply just attach it right here and turn it. Wow, that is nice. Oh, that was fast. Let's do something a bit harder. Look at my hand. Look, my skin is just bumped into it. It is incredibly powerful. Good idea, this kind of product. As you can see, turn it into like a keychain holder. So you already get the keychain Victorinox, and then just plug it in like this. So it's kind of like a double keychain. I don't really understand the reason of having it, but by making this small Victorinox a little bit bigger, maybe it protects it. But this little Victorinox is already so cheap. It's like $10. I don't see the reason why would I want to protect it or hang it on this if it's already have a hook. I don't know. Let me try to understand this, what it's for. Turn keychain Victorinox into a keychain Victorinox with the double hanger on it. Found cool folding knife right here by CRT. There's a name for it. And yeah, it's just a regular flipper, and now it's a much smaller one. And if you go camping and you dropped it in the dirt or into the sand, you just pull it kind of to the side and forward, and this whole blade will fall apart. That's it. Just remove it, clean it, rinse it off, dry it off really well. Not too many parts. This is just such a cool design. Then plug it back in, and then wow, so just line up all these holes. Sounds that it's like in, push it back. That's it. The only thing is like don't accidentally open it, but you still have to kind of pull it and push it forward to make it detach. So I don't think it will ever happen. So super awesome little take apart knife, or like field strip type of thing. So you can take it apart, clean it, keep on going. I showed you this before, but I always showed you the big one. This one is a miniature one. Let's see what it's all about. Ooh, comes with a little pump. That's hilarious. And wow, that is stunning. So you can either blow it. There's a button to release it. I don't think we need the pump, although it works really well. That's hilarious. We could probably pump it up without breath really easily too, but in case you don't want to, there you go. There's one with solar panel. I got one without solar panel. And let me get my knife. Looks like there's one magnet right here. Yes, so it's on a magnet right here. There's a button on and off to where we're going to recharge it. Is it charged at all? I can't believe it, it's not charged at all. So also there's a hook. If there's nothing to hook it up, you can get a little rope, hooky, carabiner, hook it up in here. I can't believe this is not pre-charged already. Okay, we're going to charge it up and see how it works. Push a button and there you go. Yeah, I don't think we need this. That's hilarious. Okay, charge it up. This is what it looks like in the dark. Red, blinking, flashing, and brightest. Very cool, very bright. As you can see, perfect for camping, for in case in the car to have. I love this little thing. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.